Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, ever since we had the end of this correction right here, I think it's extremely clear on the monthly that we're in a wave 3. Most likely place for wave 3 to go is the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So that is right around the $2,550 area, which is where I think this wave 3 potentially could end. And then it could potentially start a wave 4 and a wave 5. And we have to remember this is the monthly time frame, so this literally could take anywhere from 6 months to maybe a year or more to actually play out. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is the big wave 1 and the big wave 2, and I think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3 that we're seeing now. Does have a little bit of a 3, 4, 5 shape on the top right here, but I still think it's more likely, even if it does make a pullback, to go up to this 161.8 right around the 2550 area to finish off this wave 3 before it even makes a big correction for the wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5. So keeping that in mind because it's extremely important. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I still find this a little bit of an odd pattern just because it is 5 ways down right here, but really it just looks like it's continuing the uptrend. I still don't really see any reason to think this uptrend is over, and I definitely still primarily would be looking for longs, especially on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, most of the dollar pairs have actually been pretty slow this week, especially gold. Gold has basically just done nothing all week long. It's been very, very, very sideways. I still think it is likely to be a correction to this last wave up, so I would definitely still be looking for Fibonacci bounces. I would still be looking for breaks of structure to the upside for more entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, the trend is up on every single higher time frame, daily, weekly, monthly. Every time frame the trend is up. So I definitely think that looking for longs is still primarily what you should be trying to do. Now, it does look like maybe, just maybe, it is going to go down a little bit more. I mean, this is possibly an A. Maybe this right here is the wave B. And maybe we're currently in a wave C. It could continue to respect this fib level, so if it does go up, if it does break structure, I would still go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it doesn't break structure, then you should still continue to look for shorts. It could possibly go down to one of the lower Fibonacci retracement levels before you actually get the break of structure to the upside, ending this correction and continuing the uptrend. So until you actually see this picture right here with the breaker structure to the upside, especially if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, you should be looking for shorts. If you trade the 1 hour time frame and above, you should probably be patiently waiting for the long at the end of this correction for your next entry for the continuation of this bigger uptrend, which I still think is a wave 3 and I still think is going to make its way up to the 2550 area. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I analyze every single pair on this list from top to bottom every single day for my members. Also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.